very good morning. For virtual inspection, I welcome Mr. Krishna Pachori, first IC member, and Mr. Neeraj Bhargav, second IC member. Now, I give you my introduction. I am Sunita Datta, principal of Shri Balaji Royal Public School, Ajmer, Rajasthan. It's a great opportunity for me to introduce and show you the overall view of this school. Now let's start showing you the school. He is security guard who maintains records of all the parents and visitors in the present time, checks temperature and sanitize everyone. This is school logo displaying the message uproot evil and uphold good. This is waiting area or sitting area for students and parents. This beautiful and creative display was made on 26 January by the students under the guidance of art and craft teacher. Very beautiful work. This is waiting area reserved for parents and visitors. As you can see, this is reception or front office. This is director's room. Here we have closed circuit television. From here we can keep an eye on all the activities of students and teachers. This is academic in charge room.
Good morning, sir. I am
Here
TPS Solanki, MSc, MEd. I retired as chemistry lecturer from St. Islamic School Ajmer after serving 40 years. And now here I am working in the capacity of an academic in charge, director academics. And according to my experience of 40 years at my back, I am guiding students as well as teachers how to teach and attain the academic standards. I keep correcting all their works also from grading and giving guidance at every step to each and everyone here in the school. So because I know what are the standards, how to raise the standards of the schools. Thank you, sir.
Here we display all emergency numbers. This is complaint box which is open by principal only. Students can put complaint if any, and this is rectified within the time period. Again, craft work display on good manners and good habits. Craft work here. Display board on festive season made by Red House. This is primary presentation digitally and students can make use of audio and video technology. Very spacious with CCTV camera. Fire equipment for the safety purpose of students. Again, softboard display annual day celebration made by Blue House. This is separate girls and boys washroom. With separate urinals, clean and sanitize, with washing area. Boys washroom with separate urinals, a maid is on duty for helping the students and keep an eye on them. This is the way to first floor and senior classes. All creative work done by my teachers. Boys washroom for senior students on first floor. With separate urinals. Water facility available here. Fire safety equipment. This is the back-end classroom for 11. Proper ventilated, illuminated with CCTV camera. Staff room. Teachers are give you your introduction, please.
Myself, Rajni Jain, PGT Hindi. Myself, Geetika Premchandani, I am PGT English teacher.
Myself is Kiran Swadeshi. I have been appointed here as a PGT Science. My qualification is BSc Civil Engineering.
My name is Rachna Dogra, PGT teacher, Social Science, MMBA.
Thank you, ma'am.
Vacant classroom for 11th Science. Again, craft work done by our creative students. Display board on festival. all the festival in our school. This is the way to second floor for secondary classes and senior secondary classes. Washroom for girls on second floor. Washroom for boys with set. Classroom for 12 hours. Well furnished. Proper sunlight here with CCTV camera. Vacant room for class 12 commerce. With CCTV camera here. This is the post classroom for 12 science. Charts are displayed here. This is biology lab. She will give you further details.
Good morning, sir. Myself Deepika Garg. I am MSc and B.Ed. This is human skeleton. So student can know different type of bones and joint in our body. These are different stain: eosin, safranin, phosphine, methylene blue. These are different type of plant tissue: monocot stem, root, dicot stem, and root. These are rods and shelves. So student can put their records, other stuff, so will not spoil. Pollution are here, running water. Different type of reasons are here. So different physiological experiment we conducted. This is platform where we conduct water experiment like pH of water, turbidity of water, and clarity of water. What are here? Different measuring cylinder. These are different usable specimens. Usable specimens project made by 10th class student. This is platform where we prepare temporary slide. Water vision, running water here. This is dissecting microscope. So student can view external feature of the object. Measuring cylinder, compound microscope are here. So student can view their object 200, 300 and 500 times more. These are different cereals, grains and spices. So student can know scientific name, economic condition and growing region and growing adaptations and economic importance. Compound microscope, different size of eyepieces, dissecting box, museum specimens are here. Hydra, Levio, Apertura, leaf insect, compound microscope are here. Different size of cartridges. Droppers, watch glasses. These are permanent slide box, and so many slides are here. These are also slide box. Permanent slides are here. Compound microscopes. Different type of specimens. Projects made by students of 10th class and 9th class. This is again dissecting microscope, and this is the platform where we prepare temporary slide and pollen germination slide of different flower. These are museum specimens, rats, rods and shells are here. This platform here we conduct blood experiment. This is blood lancelet, anti-D, A and B anticoagulants. Sterilized needle, dropper, battery dish are here. These are other museum specimens. This platform here we conduct soil experiment like pH of soil, texture of soil, turbidity of soil, water holding capacity of soil, and others. Museum specimens are here. Here we perform pollen germination on stigma of a flower and different type of flower pollen germination. This is Almira, where I put my records, school related record, documents and extra material here. This is whiteboard. Here I have explained experiments conducted for students. Teacher's diary. This is biology stock register maintained by me. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. This work on biology subject. Very creative work made by our students. This is chemistry lab. Ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself Ankita. I am MSc Chemistry and B.Ed. We have well-established chemistry lab. Salts are alphabetically arranged here. This is a Gibbs apparatus which is used for the production of hydrogen sulfide gas, and it is used in group 2nd and group 4th elements detection. This is weighing machine which is used for the measurements of salt. It is in proper working conditions. Reagents are also placed here in alphabetical order. This is lime water and it is used for the detection of carbon dioxide gas. As carbon dioxide gas passes through lime water turns milky. This is wash basin which is in proper working condition. We have separate slab for performing titration. Individual students can perform titration here. This is burette stand, this is pipette, and it is a conical flask. These apparatus are used for titration purpose. This is phenolphthalein indicator which is used in titration of class 11th, not in class 12th, because in class 12th we have redox titration, and in redox titration KMnO4 itself acts as an indicator. Some important reagents are also placed here for salt detection. This is iron 2nd sulfate which is used for the detection of nitrate for brown ring test. This is Big beaker, and we have proper pipelines, tongs, test tube holders, test tube stands, test tubes are placed in all the slabs. Beakers, conical flask, test tubes are placed here, and this is a measuring cylinder which is used to dilute the very concentrated acids. We have CCTV camera in our lab, so we can keep eye on the activities of students. Burette stand, tripod stands, all are placed on the slab, so students can perform their experiment easily. Extra stocks are placed here. We have exhaust fan, so moisture and some pungent smell can easily be removed from the chemistry lab. Whiteboard is also there, so I can easily explain practicals to the students in the lab. Stock register is also maintained by us. So we can keep the records of all the chemicals in our chemistry lab. Thank you, sir.
This is physics lab. Sir is physics teacher. He will give you further details.
Good morning, sir. Myself Sandeep Tripathi. I am physics teacher in this school. My qualification is MSc MA B.Ed. Please come, sir. This is connecting circuit of 2 meter base, which is used to find out the resistance of unknown wire. This is experimental wire. Galvanometer, which is used to detecting the presence of current in electrical circuit. Rheostat, battery eliminator, resistance box, another meter base, circuit diagram of meter base, electric board. This is potentiometer, which is used to find out the EMF of primary cell. Galvanometer. This is another potentiometer, which is used to find out the EMF of two cells, Lagrange and Daniell cell. This is circuit diagram. This is connected circuit of Ohm's law. This is ammeter, which is used to measure the electric current in an electric circuit. This is voltmeter, which is used to measure the volt in electric circuit. This is circuit diagram of Ohm's law. Battery charger. Again, meter base, jockey. This is tuning fork, rubber pad. With this help to find out the frequency of sonometer. This is optical lens, which is used to find out the focal length of convex lens. This is split level, which will help the balance of optical bench. This is electric supply line. These are electric boards. These are prism, which is used to determine the angle of minimum division and reflective index. These are prisms. This is spherometer. This is vernier calipers, calorimeter. This is spherometer, which is used to find out the radius of curvature in the glass, in the watch glass. This is screw gauge. This is simple pendulum. This is metallic ball, which is called as wound. Some different types of metallic balls of different masses. single slit experiment, laser light. This is Curie law of apparatus, thermometer, which is used to study of different temperature of hot object. This is circuit. This is diagram of Newton's Curie law. This is PN this is PN junction diode, which is used to find out the resistance in forward and reverse bias. This is connecting leads. Sonorous apparatus. This is NPN transistor, which is used to find out the NPN and PNP transistor common emitter configuration. This is circuit diagram. Half reflection method. This is high resistance box, and then range of 1 ohm to 10,000 ohm. Some important documents where we keep in this Almira, like that students' project files, records. This is staff register of physics. Some other material where we keep this lab. This is CCTV camera. This is resonance apparatus, which is used to find out the frequency of the turning fork with the help of sonometer. This is CCTV camera monitoring all activity in this lab. These are charts made by the students. These are cells where we keep apparatus safely. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. This is computer lab. He is computer teacher.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning,
Sir
sir.
will explain you.
My name is Amit Parekh. I am working as a computer teacher at Sri Balaji Royal Public School. It's my computer lab. There are so many charts made by our students, like they are describing the networking protocols, internet browser and technology, parts of computers, and position on fingers on alphabet keys. There is one chart over there which is defining the topology over there, networking topology. This is the chart made by a student in which he will try to describe the topology, like ring topology, mesh topology, star and tree topology. We are teaching so many things to our students, like basic application in which Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Acrobat Reader, Adobe Reader, Photoshop. And for the senior section, we are teaching over here C, C++, Java. We are teaching both hardware and software over here, so the student can comfortable in computers. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am.
This is sports room. She is our PTI.
Good morning, sir. I am a physical teacher. This is our sports room. This is junior section chair. We have provided that boxing gloves, volleyball, ring, bowling, plastic bat and ball, frizzy. A healthy body leads in a healthy mind. This is famous co-star pictures like Vishwanath Anand, MC Mary Kom, Sania Mirza, Virat Kohli, etc. etc. This is table tennis. These are carom board. These are chairs. table tennis racket, ball, shuttle. This is baseball gloves. This is cricket helmet, knee pad, gloves, and discus throw. Thank you, sir.
This is our school library. Ma'am will explain you.
Good morning. Myself Namita Chaturvedi. I am the librarian of this school. These books are yoga books. These are newspapers. These are dictionaries. These are health books. These are related to Hindi and English stories book. These are autobiography books. These are magazines. These are art books. These are Hindi novels and these are English novels. And these books are related to computer. These books are science, maths and general knowledge books. These are Hindi and English rhymes books. These are Hindi grammar books. These are Hindi course books. These are social science books. These books are related to Sanskrit, environment and English grammar books. These books for value education book. These books are English course book. These books are related to pre-primary section. These books for teachers. These books are LKG to HKG students. These are the table separated from between so that student cannot disturb to each other. Similarly, we have another table. This is round table for junior students. This is my seat. We have a laptop for all records in there. There are a CCTV camera. This is first essential register, books number 1 to 2430, and this is second essential register, books number 2431 to 2886 and continue. This is student book issue register. Student come and I issuing books for the students. Books are our best friends. Reading makes our mind tension free and stress free. Library is the best place to spend our time wisely and usefully. Thank you.
Floor, we have separate drinking water area. Water facilities available 24 hours. This display board is for assembly. Here students can put topic of the week, thought of the day and news headlines. This is COVID-19 awareness soft board made by Red House. This is assembly ground. Here we conduct assembly house-wise. Many activities are conducted here like yoga, meditation, drill, mental maths and water facility for students. This is parking area. Buses are parked here, keeping in mind students' convenience. This is our second block with recreational park. There are slides, swings, and merry-go-round. This is my room with front office. This is pre-primary activity room. Ma'am will give you further details.
Good morning to all the dignitaries. This is our activity room where students enjoy themselves and have many activities over here. We have all the waste materials used by the small kids. We also inform them about the importance of these things. We have some alphabets over here so that they can learn how to identify alphabets as well as colors. We have over here a few games also so that the students are busy playing games and plus enjoying themselves. Over here we have some activities, for example card making activity. We have over here a new concept of learning through flashcards. We have new words and their spellings also, so that while learning students learn also. And here we have a very interesting activity that is known as story arranging. The students are first told about the story and then they have to come over here to this room and they have to arrange the cutouts according to the story. And here the students enjoy themselves and learn as well. Thank you so much.
This is girls' washroom with separate urinals, washing area. This is here drinking water facilities for students. Water supply is available 24 hours. This is boys' washroom with separate urinals. This is first aid or wellness room. Ma'am is our wellness teacher.
Good morning, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Anjali Yadav. I am wellness teacher here. Welcome to my room. I am taking to the trip of my room. Here we have a bed for the sick students, and we kept first aid box with the essentials, medicines. We also maintain two different registers for the wellness file and one for a counseling record. We also put some posters there for the motivations of the students with motivation photos. And we have a weighing machine also for the taking weight of the students. Thank you.
Here, fire safety equipment. This room is for computer class with smart board facility. Craft work on every step. Fire safety equipment for the safety purpose of the students. Here, CCTV camera installed. Again, boys washroom on second floor. This is composite lab. Sir will explain you further details.
Good morning everyone, this is Virendra Singh Rathod. I am a BTech in Civil Engineering and I am the in charge of this composite lab. So I will going to show you that what are the apparatus and stock are here in the composite lab. Here we allow the students to get an exposure with the activities and the experiments which they have in their 9th and 10th syllabus. If you move towards this section, you will see that there are some apparatus which belongs to the chemistry level as well as the biological level. We have this tripod as well as the burner, the test tube, the forceps, the droppers, we have the pH indicator paper, we have some solution of hydrochloric acid, as well as we have the rinsing water, the Bunsen burner, we have the glass strips, we have the china dishes, we have this particular sodium hydroxide pellets along with the sample of a beaker. Now coming towards this section, we have some chemical reagents as well as we have some different chemicals like we have phenolphthalein, we have universal indicators, we have this ethanol. Basically, these all are the chemicals which are discussed in the 9th class or 10th class syllabus of chemistry, so that we can give an idea to the students about their basic level of chemistry as well as biology. We have different charts representing the mathematical formulas, mathematical identities, the basics we have in the 9th and 10th section. Here it is a model which these two models have been made by the students under the guidance of their mathematics teacher. Like you can see that this is a particular model in which we can show the property of all the type of coordinators along with their sides. Like this is a parallelogram, this is a rhombus. We can make different shapes. We have four protectors at the edges which allows us to measure the angles and we can adjust the sides using these screws. After this, we have a model made by the students of a particular city. This model is allows the student to get an idea about the red light, yellow light, and the green light, as well as about the roads and how can you make a eco-friendly colonies. Here we have the particular charts. We have the basic formulation of the charts about the profit and loss, about the compound interest as well. Here we have the section of physics as well as mathematics. Like you can see, this is a rotating theodolite. We all know that it was a great instrument when it was used in the Great Diplomatic Survey during the British era. This instrument was used at a large level to determine the height of the greatest peak, that is Mount Everest, by the mathematician Sir George Everest. You can see here we have this movable galvanometer which was further introduced in class 12. We have this voltmeter which measures the voltage in any circuit. Here we have the connection wire rule. We have this glass slab. We have this glass prism. We have this one-way key. This another model made by the student which represents the similarity criteria of any two-dimensional figure. We have the rheostat model. We have this ammeter which measures the flow of current in any circuit, the amount of current flows in any circuit. Here again we have some biological chart representing the human body system. We have this respiratory system. We have a mathematical chart of real numbers. Also we have a whiteboard in which we can easily explain the basics to the students if necessary. So this is all about the composite lab. I hope you will get idea about the composite lab by this video. Thank you.
This is geography lab. She will give you details.
Hello, myself Seema Malodia and I am geography in charge. And this is our geography lab. Geography plays a vital role in our life. So I want to show some sides of this lab. First, we will start here. This is our working model. It shows all the planets in our universe, and this is phases of the moon. We have some ready-made charts about the earth. This is origin of the earth, interior of the earth, and these are the globes, political and physical of world. This is rain gauge. It measures the all rain, and some working models made by our students. These all charts are made by our students. This is map stand. We show one map at a time, and we have many more maps. They kept on map stand. This is our tracing table. There all students make our project files. It is help all these working in their sites. And here we take our class about practicals. Thank you. This is our stock register. It maintained by me, and here is all the records in our stock register.
Myself, Vikram Maheshwari. I am MSc in Maths. Here, this is our Maths lab, and I am going to show you all the charts and models. These are all charts made by our students. Now, starting from this represent properties of real number, like their community, associative, distributive, identity, and inverse. And these are mathematician charts about 3D models and spectrum charts made by our students, as well as board games. Basically, it is made for primary children. They can easily understand the concept of mathematics using this. Next is sextant model, which is used to measure angle between two objects. Next is circle. This is also called magic circle, which is easily explained all properties of based on angles. This is geocode. Next है हमारे पास next circle model. We can easily using this model and derivate the value of pi. That is, we can easily understand this Pythagoras theorem, that is a square plus b square equal to c square. Next is theodolite model, which can easily measure two angles horizontally and vertically. That is section list, scientific section list, that is whole number, and that is divided into parts. Half and half equal to 1. Similarly, 1 4, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 1 7, 1 8. And next is the algebraical identities. So here examples. This is example of a cube plus b cube, that is equal to a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. And this example of a plus b cube, b का whole cube, a cube b cube plus 3a square b and 3a b square. This is standard time indicator model, which is used to compare local time to other countries' time. This is rainbow model, which is used to measure rainfall in particular time and particular place. These are cold marbles, set of volume weighted curves, and this is Vernier caliper used to determine radius and thickness of spherical shapes. These are ring cubes. This is used in most primary tables. Stage this box used to understand arithmetic operations. And this is two-dimensional figures.
Hello, myself Upasana Pachapati. I am a dance teacher. I teach a Western and classical dance. Students participate with interest in dance form. This is a music system. Room is very beautiful decoration, as you can see here.
Hello everyone, welcome to our music room. Myself Aarti Kangaroo and I am a music teacher. We have different kind of instrument. This is a jhanj, this is Casio, this is harmonium. We have a banjo, a ruler. This is also a big banjo. We have a guitar. We have a separate, our own band of Balaji Roy Public School. Students are really very interested to come and learn how to play instrument, and they love to learn it.
I'm Anjana Nigam. This is our art and craft room, and all the creative items from the students making from the students. You can like flower making, rangoli, little kana, and all the things making by the students. Just like jhula, train, dry fruits box, hanging, and you use waste material, making from waste material. Colors, paper craft, like these, and these like paintings, painted by students. Acrylic paintings, सारी इन्होंने बच्चों ने अपने हाथों से बहुत क्रिएटिव से बनाई थी. They are very creative students. Just like मीरा जी, महाराणा प्रताप. It's called fur paintings, मधुबनी paintings. ये सारे बच्चों ने हमारे अपने हाथों से पेंट की.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
This is auditorium. All the activities are conducted here. Ma'am is activity in charge.
Myself Geetika Premchandani, I am activity in charge teacher. So, this is a big auditorium where we conduct various co-curricular activities like group dance competition, debate competition, extempo competition, and poster making competition. Drama, plays are conducted here. So,
Good morning, sir. Myself Leena Rathod. I am a physical teacher. This is playground for volleyball court. 18 into 9 मीटर इसका मेजरमेंट है और ये वॉलीबॉल है. ये सर्विस लाइन है और वो सेंटर लाइन है. This is cricket section. पिच टू पिच इसकी लेंथ 20.12 मीटर है. This is कबड्डी सेक्शन 14 into 10 मीटर.
He is yoga teacher. He will give you.
नमस्ते, मैं योगाचार्य सुशील शर्मा, MN योगा. मैं यहाँ विद्यालय में योग शिक्षक हूँ. साथ ही मैं यहाँ पर देशी खेलों का भी अभ्यास करवाता हूँ. पारंपरिक खेल जिसमें कबड्डी हुए, खो खो हुआ, सतोलिया हुआ. ये कबड्डी का मैदान है 13 बाई 10 का. ये सीनियर बॉयज़ का साथ ही मैं यहाँ पर मलखम जो लड़कों को और रस्सा मलखम लड़कियों को स्पेशली उसका अभ्यास करवाता हूँ। हमारे यहाँ पर योगासन के साथ साथ बच्चों को स्पेशली वो योग करवाया जाता है जो उनके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी हो, जो उनका सिटिंग पोस्चर ठीक करते हो।
I hope you will like this and
This is badminton court, 44 feet into 20 feet length and width. 4 students can play. Thank you.
our total school area is 6,206.71 square meter and build-up area 2,767.30 square meter. I hope you like my school. Thank you.